So now we have a retailer marking the Autel Evo Nano and Lite models as discontinued on their website, having previously been happily taking pre-orders for the drones. Yet our last story on the Autel stock situation received comments from other US dealers that deliveries were still somewhat on schedule. What is happening? Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. For more drone and tech focused content, including news updates like this one, feel free to hit the subscribe button. So as regular viewers will remember, back on the 10th of November, we posted a quick update to provide information that we had regarding the latest news on the new Autel models in terms of when we might actually get our hands on the pre-order units of both the Evo Nano and Lite models. I myself have a Nano Plus premium bundle on order and cannot wait to get my hands on it. The specifications combined with Autel build quality on their other models means I'm genuinely hopeful of a serious contender in the sub 250 gram market to DJI, which is something us UK buyers in particular will be looking forward to. In that story, I reported conversations Geeksvana had held with official Autel dealers who were concerned that the delivery dates for the new models would again be pushed and could miss a pre-Christmas delivery. Some, including B&H, suggested the date could actually be as late as February 2022. In the comments to that video, a couple of other dealers, one based in the US and another in Spain, kindly reached out to state that they felt a pre-Christmas delivery was still very much on the cards, although the dealer in Spain was kind enough to follow up with confirmation of a further delay and a €100 price increase for the Evo Lite range. With this information in hand, I still felt relatively comfortable that there was a strong chance that we'll be seeing the units before Christmas. So when viewers of Geeksvana in the US started to reach out to confirm they were now receiving refunds on their pre-ordered Nano and Lite drone orders, combined with B&H changing the status of the models to discontinued on their website, I was left feeling very concerned about seeing the drone at all, let alone before Christmas, which, let's face it, this is being recorded on the 15th of December, so that is already looking unlikely. Indeed, as you can see from these screenshots, the units are showing as discontinued rather than unavailable or merely just removed from their website. Several of their customers have also told Geeksvana that refunds have been issued. One viewer told us that they contacted the B&H sales department due to the fact that they were showing the units as discontinued on their website. He spoke to a staff member who informed him that B&H is in the process of refunding their pre-order customers, as these drones will be delayed well into 2022, or Autel may cancel the lines altogether. When Geeksvana approached B&H for comment directly, we were told that the products had indeed been removed from the website due to concerns over fulfillment of orders and lack of news from Autel. They informed us that their purchasing department were still discussing any future potential to reopen those orders with Autel, as the unit still appeared on the main Autel Robotics website. So no official discontinuation of the lines from Autel. We have reached out to Autel Robotics marketing, who did come back to us very quickly to assure us that these drones were not discontinued and that they're going to have their sales team check the issue and see what's wrong in between, and hopefully come back to us with some confirmed dates for the UK and US marketplaces. Every other website we checked in the EU, UK and US from dealers listed by Autel Robotics still show the units as available to order. Most still quote the pre-Christmas hopes for delivery. However, when you dig a little deeper and ask for an open comment on the situation, things get a little murky again. There is no suggestion from any other dealer or Autel themselves that the drones will not be coming at all, although getting someone to confirm when they expect delivery is a little tougher. One UK retailer, Clifton Cameras, told us that they had not heard anything recently from Autel, apart from to expect the units early in 2022. Another UK supplier, Drones Direct, told Geeksvana that they are no longer quoting a stock date or providing any predictions on delivery due to the recent information from Autel of further delays. Both UK suppliers have committed to updating their online status soon, as the information is still being assessed and processed by their IT teams. So what does all this tell us? B&H are a business and need to sell products to be successful, so there must have been a very good reason why they removed the products from their website. I can only assume the marking of discontinued is something which happened internally to allow for the orders taken to be refunded. Certainly from Autel's email today, they are confirming that they have not discontinued the products. We could speculate for hours about what is actually happening with B&H, but I would remind you that it was their website which first confirmed 2022 shipping for the Nano and Lite drones, something other retailers are now starting to confirm as well. It could also be the case that something has happened between B&H and Autel, meaning they no longer wish to take pre-orders. The answer isn't always the first one we can think of. However, with UK retailers now pushing back predictions and one no longer giving stock updates, there does seem to be something there that Autel needs to address. Again, I'll be delighted to receive my Nano Plus Premium bundle and personally feel pretty relaxed about whether that is before or after Christmas, but it would be nice if we could have some confirmed dates that stick from Autel. I know many of you have funds out there with retailers for this drone, so the continued frustrations and lack of information on shipping is of course concerning. Let me know in the comments below if you have pre-ordered and whether or not your supplier is changing their shipping predictions. Now remember, we are in tough times and the retailers can only pass on the information that they are passed by the manufacturer. I will of course continue to keep you informed of this story, including any updates we get from Autel directly, as they have now promised to provide. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, and if you're still watching this video now, please hit the like button as it gives the YouTube algorithm a little nudge for us. Sean out.